So next we're gonna remove and replace the cabin filter. So you want to come to the passenger side, open the glove box. Okay. So you want to kind of move this stuff out of the way. And then there's the cover right there. So what you're going to do is push down on these two little tabs. Pops up. Put it on their side. And here's the cabin located. Same thing on these two sides. You should push it in. And it should pop right up. And there's the cabin filter. So you want to take it out. And then to install it, brand new cabin filter. Same thing, you just want to put it in, make sure it's nice and flush. Get the cover, make sure it says up. Just push until it snaps in, both sides. We're going to take our cover, same thing. Want to put these in first, so on the bottom, and it snaps in. Then that's it.